Hi there, everyone. It is currently the 13th of June 2014. Meteorologist Robert Spetta here with you today. We are still watching the tropics quite active as far as the southwest monsoon is concerned. That's really been the big topic this past week. We had, well, what's left of Tropical Storm Mitag way off here towards the north, actually bring some gusty winds and a few storms across northern portions of Japan. Could even see a few thunder showers there along the western seaboards here as we go through Friday, but really expecting that to taper off, and Saturday and Sunday shaping up pretty decent across much of mainland Japan. Back down towards the southwest, though, this is the big topic. Invest 95W. It's a low pressure area. The biggest thing with this, it's still enhancing that southwest monsoon, so I expect some fairly heavy rain showers as we head through the next 72 hours. This is actually latest ASCAT imagery on this. You can see the low level circulation right here, some gusty winds down towards the south. That's actually one reason why it does look like the Philippines or Bagasa put out gale warnings across northern portions of Luzon, and that's pretty legit. We are looking at some fairly high waves out here as well, so upwards about 12 to 15 feet at times along the western seaboards, also into southern Taiwan. So you have high winds and rough waves. Even if this is not a named storm system, it is not one of these days you want to be venturing out to sea here. And hopefully no fishermen get caught out in this storm system. But it's not just that, it's the heavy rain that's coming down. Actually, this is taking a look at the next 72 hours rainfall accumulation courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. You can see there along the western seaboards, we're going to see upwards about 100 to 200 millimeters over the course of Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday morning. So heavy rain advisories are in effect across much of northern Luzon. This is just from us, but officially from Bagasa, they have stated in these areas just north of Manila up through Baguio, we do have heavy rain advisories in effect, yellow rain warnings, and that's falling on top of what has already come down in the last several days. Actually, I've seen some reports out here over the past about 5 days. We've had upwards of about 400 to 500 millimeters. So there's been flooding out in this area, and there's also been landslides. And that threat's still there for even more of that to occur as we look ahead. Right now, that Invest now a low risk of development from a JTWC. JMA still has it as a low pressure area, but I would not be surprised if they upgrade it to a tropical depression as we head into Saturday, to be honest with you. I'm pulling up the weather map right now from JMA. You can just see where they have it stamped right in there. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we look ahead into the next 48 hours, tropical depression, and actually they have it as a tropical depression as we look ahead into the weekend. So that's probably going to be developing and very well could become a weak tropical storm as we go ahead into Saturday. Here's a look at the model outlook Friday. We have our low pressure area continuing to spin out here. Some gusty winds across southern portions of China. Over towards southern Taiwan, you're going to be seeing the heaviest rainfall really in these areas, and also along the western seaboards of Luzon. Even look ahead into Saturday, that low just continues to pump the moisture on shore here, specifically across southern Taiwan as well. Some areas here probably could see about 200 to 300 millimeters. And then as we look ahead into Sunday and Monday, expect this low to kind of jettison off towards the northeast, getting wrapped up with the rainy season front. Very likely thing to happen. Take a look at the overall background flow. We got our low here. All those streamlines basically pushing off towards the northeast. So once it hits into that, it's just going to race off there. So let's take a look at your forecast for southern Taiwan. Expect those rain showers throughout the weekend. Northern portions of the Philippines as well. Rain showers and thunderstorms. Taking a look off towards the north, though, Naha, you're going to be seeing some afternoon thunderstorms really pop up here. It says showers here, but I think that's going to be scattered in and out. Nothing really too persistent. And as far as Tokyo is concerned, beautiful weather heading through the weekend. Temperatures into the mid to high 20s. Very well could push 30 inland Tokyo. This is for Yokohama, right near the coast, but inland areas probably going to see some fairer weather. So looking at sunny skies, not really talking about you because it's just beautiful out there as we look ahead throughout the entire weekend. And scrolling down towards the south, a few thunderstorms really continuing to flare up in and around Singapore, Kuala Lumpur as well, especially inland during the afternoon hours. Looking at cloudy skies there in that forecast, though. And then leaving a little bit farther towards the north, afternoon thunderstorms continue to erupt there into Taiwan. All right, everybody, that is all for right now. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can always post them down there in the comment box below. Always appreciate your feedback, and I hope you stay safe out there. Have a great weekend. Bye.